there, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I hope you enjoy watching this video. My name is Leslie. I do planner related videos and blogs. I hope you enjoy watching again. Today I have a Stationery Pal Mystery Box and I am really excited, so let's just dive right in. You guys, this box is so cute. Look at the inside, it says thank you, and look at this bear, how cute. So this is the second time I purchased something from them, and I don't know, I like the element of surprise, so I'm really excited. Let's just dive right in. All right, everything, I love everything from them because everything is just so cute. Even this paper, I don't know if you can see it, but it has like little hearts, the bubble wrapping thing. How cute. Oh my goodness. All right, so again, I have no idea what's gonna be in here. So first I see this, I'm gonna set it aside. We have some fun confetti, which is super cute. And let me just start with this. How cute. So here we have one of these super cute like pins, and it's iridescent. Sorry for the lighting, but it's super cute, and it's a Stationery Pal. Let me set it aside. The next thing we have here are some stickers, and let me get them out of the pack because they're really shiny. Well, I tried, but these are really cute. It has like food, yes. How cool. I love this for journaling. I think it will be really awesome for journaling. Next we have these right here. Oh, no signal error battery. Oh my gosh, these are cool as well. How cute. So in here we have the card that says thank you. They do have a coupon code. I don't know if I can share it. It is not for me to share, but I thought it was super cute. And this is their 5th anniversary. Oh my gosh, I just keep dropping the confetti, but I think it looks cute. Next we have these super cute stickers, and I know my niece likes these, so how cute. Love them for journaling again. And let's just open up the little bag and see. Oh my gosh, look at that, so many things in here. I'm excited. All right, so let me just get the first thing that I see. First we have these scissors. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. They are clear and pastel cookie. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. I like them. All right, I needed some scissors to have for on the go, so super excited for that. Here I have a highlighter, which I should get some paper and try to use it so you can see. I'm gonna do a little swatch in here. All right, cute. Just I don't know if you can see, it's just a regular highlighter, but cute. Again, love it for journaling. If you want to see a little close up, here is the brand. All right there. All right, what do we have here next? Oh, we have a gray mild liner. I have one of these actually. I already own this collection, but I can give this to somebody. And I think this is a mechanical pencil. Yes, it is. Love having these for when I'm creating those sprites that I just think of and want to recreate it. Great idea for that. All right, next we have this pen. I cannot read the, I don't know, it's called Muji, I think that's the name, and I'm gonna try it right now. Wow, like it. And it dries super quick, which is nice. Super cool. This is great for left-handers. Let me show you again the brand. That's the brand. I haven't been doing much buying when it comes to pens. So all right, so here's the next thing, and this one is actually really cool because it is shaped like a little drop. I don't know if you can see it there. And oh, it's double-sided, so this one's really thin and the other side is like a drop. I believe it's to do this, to create like a little I don't know, like do like a little checklist type of deal. And that's cool. I like this. I didn't have anything like that. Next we have another Muji pen, and this one looks like a gel pen, and it's blue, like an aqua blue. Super cute. All right, you guys, there's still a lot of stuff in here. Wow, still a lot. All right, so the next thing is this. Kind of looks like a whiteout, but I'm not sure. It says slide to open. What is this? Oh, this is tape runner. How cute. I like this. It's gonna be super cool for on the go. And next we have more pens, I think. I'm not sure. Oh yeah, you guys, I don't own a red pen, and this is from the brand Blend. That's cool. And in here we have another pen, and this one is actually a zebra pen. Okay, let's do the little test. Let me fold this. Okay. Okay, this one smudges a little, but still pretty cool. All right. Next, what else do we have in here? You guys, so many things. All right, so we have a little sharpener, which can't go wrong with that. Love the color. We also have a little Staedtler ruler, which, you guys, I don't know what I do with my rulers. They disappear. We have some sticky notes, and this one has like a cool design on it. How cute. Love it. And next is this, and it looks like a whiteout tape, correction tape. Yes, this is a whiteout, and it's from the brand Tombow. All right, I like this. I like trying out new things that I've never tried before. There it is. This is nice. Love the color, by the way. All right, what's next? I think this is glue. I think this is glue, like glue stick. That makes sense. I am trying to show you guys the cool design that it has. There you go. How cute. But I think, yep, it is glue. Yep. It's so funny the way I'm showing you guys. All right, so the next thing, it's an eraser, and I'm not gonna open it up. I'm not gonna take it out of there, but it's so cute and tiny. And last but not least, we got some washi tape, and these washies are super cute. Here's the first one. Here's the design. I think I have it upside down. Yep, here's the design. It has a little foil on it. Super cute. And here, oops, here's the second one. It also has the cute little like foil, and I really love it. All right, that is it for this one. All right, that's it for this one. I hope you enjoy watching. I liked it. I liked being surprised, and I love that I have a lot of pens that I can try out and use for journaling and for my planning. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all in my next one.